Hey everybody, it's me. How's everybody doing? I just wanted to pop on here and say hello and I have the hiccups, sorry, excuse me. And tell you some things that are going through my head. So I had so much fun at the RTR and at Slab City. I want to get out there and meet up with my new friends and stuff like that. And so the only way at the moment I'm going to be able to do that, or even take any trips for myself, is if I convert my car. Because if I only have a couple days to get out there and do it, then I need to be able to get there fast so I can relax and then leave at a decent time to get back. Ooh, excuse me. So I thought, well, I'm just gonna outfit my car to you know, stay overnight places. So that's what I'm gonna do. And I will show you what I do when I do it. And also, I wanted to work on Frankie, my camper. I wanted to actually make Frankie a lot lighter so my car can tow it even easier. So on flat surfaces, it does pretty well. Oh my gosh, these hiccups. So anyway, my car is not too bad on towing Frankie, but I just want to make Frankie lighter, you know, that. So I'm actually going to use fiberglass. So I'm going to replace some of the materials with fiberglass. So, and someone is now running their lawnmower. But anyway, I wanted to shoot those ideas out to you and say hello. So I hope everything is awesome in your neck of the woods, and I will be seeing you around. Live life to the fullest. Bye.